Why settle for less when you can earn more with Billions Airdrop? Here's how to get in on the action. The Billions network is connecting humans and AI for ultimate privacy and trust using zero-knowledge proofs. It lets you prove something is true without revealing personal data. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get you some free points and a chance at future airdrops. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Go to the official Billions Network website and sign in using your Google account. Step 2. Head to the dashboard and enter the code Billions on a Million to instantly get 400 points. Step 3. Scroll down and complete the newly added tasks, including daily check-ins to maximize your earnings. Want even more points? Good news! Billions is live on Intract. Go to Intract's platform. Connect your wallet. Complete the simple social and community tasks, and you'll score an extra 300 points just like that. That's it, task trackers. Make sure to check in daily, complete those tasks, and share this with a friend who loves free crypto opportunities. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to Task Trackers, and drop a comment if you've joined the Billions campaign. We've got more airdrop guides coming your way, so stay tuned.